Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change language on OKX app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open OKX app on your phone, and simply go ahead, tap on this menu icon given on top left corner. Then from over here, go to this option of preferences at the bottom, go to language, and now you can change it to whatever you would want from this options given right over here. You can just tap on it and it will be changed accordingly right away, right? And once you're gonna go back, and that is how it's gonna look like. So for example, if we change it, and then it is how it's gonna appear, we're gonna again tap on it and change it to English or whatever language you would prefer accordingly, and you're good to go. So that's how easy it is for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.